So people, it's a snow day, a serious snow day in Toronto, and I am going to go outside now and see what's going on. So many things are stuck, street, buses, all kinds of stuff, madness. So we're gonna check out exactly what's happening. Um, I'm hope that I'm dressed properly for outside.
Said that they're gonna try and get to, like, what the hell are you trying to do, really? This is awful. Kaya direct him.
Well, people, I made it back inside. Drinking my hot chocolate, my snowy mug. You see it there? My snow mug, and drinking Turtle's hot chocolate. Yo, it's treacherous out there. It's bad, man. I went out there in the front of my building just to see how it is and how, yeah, just how it is. And thank God the snowplow came in and did a sweep in our building parking lot, and literally just a sweep through. I still can't get to my car unless I want to climb through knee-deep snow, like above my knee actually, and all around my car. It's just, ugh. But nothing is more than what's happening on Dixie Road. Guys, you guys see it already. My phone, my iPad actually like went kaput because I think of the cold and maybe the snow was getting wet. It just, because there was about 40% life on there. I had enough life to do, what I had to do, but it just went out. I ended up talking to one of the bus drivers of the bus that has been there from before 8 o'clock. I got up at about 7:45, and I looked out the window, and two buses were stuck right outside my balcony. I can see it outside my balcony. And the other bus managed to make the U-turn. If you follow me on Instagram, you see that the bus made the U-turn. But the first bus was stuck and got really stuck. The back tire got jammed. That was the footage that I showed where the mountain of snow is covering up the tire. So when I got downstairs, I thought the bus was abandoned, guys. I fully thought it was abandoned because it wasn't rocking back and forth. It wasn't moving for hours. So I said they probably abandoned the bus. Nope. When I got down there, I saw the bus driver still in the bus. I said, oh dang. And then that's when I realized there were more buses stuck. So anyways, as you can see from the footage, there's like 5 buses stuck, something like that. Anyway, I, said, oh my gosh, I should have brought some snacks down or something like that. So I went to the bus driver and I asked him, I said, you've been here from before 8, right? And he goes, yeah. And I said, yeah, my balcony's right there and I can see, I can see outside my balcony. I'm up on like the 13th floor. 14, but 13, right? Anyway, I told him, asked him if he needed anything and like food wise, and he's like, no, I'm good, I have snacks here, whatever. And he began to tell me how his shift was ending in 5 minutes. 5 minutes would be like 1:30, because I went down there between 1 and 1:30. And he's calling the the headquarters or wherever, different places within TTC, called emergency. Nobody's answering their phone. And I said, can you leave the bus? He goes, no, we have to stay on the bus. The man left his yard from 2 a.m., started at 4 in the morning, okay? And he's stuck on Dixon since before 8 o'clock this morning. And right now, as I speak, it is 2:26, and his bus is still stuck there. Still stuck, people, still stuck. I know that there are TTC buses stuck all over the city. His thing was that they should have done better. TTC drivers know. I can't complain. I know that highways are supposed to be cleaned first, but there are people that are looking for jobs. Is it that, did they put a mandate in that I don't know of? That the snow plows have to be vaxxed or something? I don't know. So I'm wondering, or is Toronto always slack like this? You know what? I think Toronto has always been slack like this, that I remember back in certain days of certain mayors and arguments that they've had. It's terrible. It's atrocious. If you went out there, why did you go out there? I hope that you arrived safely, but if you didn't and you're stuck, why would you go? Even if you thought the weather person was wrong, I mean, look online. Look at what people are saying. There was more than enough footage out there to tell you that it is atrocious out there. It's awful, man. It's awful. This turtle's hot chocolate tastes so good. It's atrocious. It is. Toronto or Southern Ontario, I think it's gone all the way up to Montreal. Corner shop, I do delivery on the side. There's no orders. You can't make any orders. I don't know if Uber has shut down today as well. If you can make Uber, if you do Uber, if you're going to deliver or if you're going to order, nobody will turn where you're there. Nobody order taxi, Uber taxi or anything like that. Nobody order any Uber Eats because you're not getting free now. Okay? As a driver, don't even go out there say you're going to pick up smutty food and bring it to them, because by the time it reach, it cool. Okay? Don't even bother. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any type of sense. It is treacherous out there. Awful. Oh my, I don't remember when the last time I've seen it this bad was back, I believe it was 1999 or 2000. It was one of the two. And it was that time, I don't know if you guys would remember this, it was that time where planes were getting stuck in the snow. When they land, they got stuck in the snow. This was the aftermath after the storm. It snowed all night. And when you woke up in the morning, it was like the snow was so high. It was like, I don't know if it was 3 feet of snow, something like that. It was treacherous. It was awful. The streets were deserted. They canceled churches because it was a Sunday. They canceled churches. I had to drive in that and drive my friend because I had to pick her up at the airport. I had her car, so I had no choice. I had to go out there. It was a sunny day the next day, but me have to take this little Honda Civic 90. It was a 90 or 89 Honda Civic. Me I drive out there. Honda Accord. And drive it to the airport. And thank God it never got stuck. But dropped my friend at home. I couldn't even get on her street. We had to go on Shepherd. I had to take one of her luggage, the one with the food in it, because she was coming from Jamaica, and fling it over the mountain of snow. The snow was taller than me. Okay? It was taller than me. I'm 5'4". It was taller than me. We had to take it and fling it over. She had to climb over the snowbank, and I had to yell at her and say, "You okay?" Oh my God. I will never forget. I will never forget. I will never forget that. Oh my God. Yeah. Today, I mean, it's during the day it's snowing, so that's why you're seeing it's all treacherous in it, and it's a Monday. People have to go to work and whatever, so it's gonna feel worse. But I will never ever forget that as long as I live. People were stuck at home for a couple days actually, because people couldn't get out the street. It was like 3 feet of snow, I think. I think it was 3 feet of snow. That's what, 36? No, man, it was taller than that. It's 36 inches. Nah, man, I think it was more than 3 feet. All I know is that when they plowed it, it went way taller than me. For a week, over a week, when we're walking to school, we were walking to school on a mountain of 6 feet to almost 7 feet of snow. Okay, walking, because that's how much snow they plowed up on the banks. We were walking up high. It was unsafe to the nth degree. It looks like it might get close to that because the amount of snow when me see a pile up now and the snow still a fall. Be safe out there.
Subscribe, like, and share.